40 varieties of flower seeds. Winter and summer all in one pack. I got them from Arrow Seeds on Amazon for just 168 rupees. They're fresh for up to 18 months. And if you store them in an airtight container, they can last even longer. Inside, there's a detailed list showing which flowers are for winter and which are for summer. Plus sowing and seeding instructions right on other side of this paper. You get them in small labeled packets. Like Dahlia Top Star, Sunflower Tall, and many more. Ready to brighten your garden. I'll be planting each variety soon and sharing the results. So stick around for the bloom.